Hello everyone, I am Zhong.
I'm Jacob. And I'm Zoe.
And we are the Sprout Trio!
Today's topic is
Germination! Before we explain, here's a time lapse.
Zhong, Jacob, and I will explain how it works.
First, the seed is dispersed or planted in the ground.
Then, water and nutrients are absorbed by the first roots. Then the first shoot grows.
The roots act like mini straws that absorb water deep down.
They also act like anchors.
The seed needs water and warmth for it to germinate. Here's a poster to show you our entire process.
First stage, seed. A dry seed absorbs water and begins to swell, activating the life inside. Second stage, root. The seed core breaks open, and the first root grows downward to anchor the plant. Third stage, rise. A shoot pushes upwards through the soil, searching for the light. Fourth stage, feed. Leaves appear and begin making food using sunlight through photosynthesis. Fifth stage, explore. Changing conditions like water or light helps us see how plants adapt or grow. Finally, to reflect. Observing each stage helps us understand not just how plants grow, but how learning grows too. I hope you learned something today.
From all the facts that we said.
Before we end our session, here's a fact for you.
Did you know a seed takes 3 to 5 days to germinate?
Thank you.